Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we need to scroll all the way down to find General Settings. Then scroll all the way down again and find Reset Options. And here we've got two different options. The first one is for mobile network settings and the second Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Basically, in both, everything works the same. All you need to do is to tap on the option. Here we've got the warning that we cannot undo this action, so just tap on Reset and that's all. And same with mobile network settings. It just looks a little bit different, and here we need to confirm everything with our screen lock. So just enter it, tap on Reset Settings, and that's all. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.